that's about how that goes. So there. It's on there. Just for a little added stability, I welded a 1/2-inch drive 15/16 socket onto the end of this thing. And I just do that until it's sitting level on the frame. Now she's solid. We're just going to go to that first. first hole there. And there you have it. I had to modify the lift a little bit before. These rings were back here, and it was pulling the bike away from the front wheel stop. And I didn't really like that. Obviously, I leave the bike in gear, but I just drilled new holes, measured. Now it's pulling the bike forward. I just like that a lot better. Tighten up the wheel stop on this one side. She's good. See my new cabinet? Harbor Freight service cart. There's absolutely no reason that that thing's 200 bucks. That's a steal. Inside Track Club, you can get that cart for 200 bucks. That's absolutely unreal. Locking drawers, or latching. They kind of need to break in a little bit, but it's a great, I'm super happy with that. So anyway, what are we doing today? We got ourselves a sissy bar. This sissy bar is either, I don't know if is discontinued the right word. It's either discontinued or obsolete or whatever you want to call it. You can't get it anymore. It's in the book. It's certainly listed in the big Harley Davidson book for 2024 and all of that, but it's not actually available, which is, I guess, cool and not cool. I think it's cool because I was able to find one, and maybe not everybody else will be able to find one. So yeah, this came out of another dealership up in Wisconsin somewhere. They happen to have one on hand sitting back in their frickin' parts shelves that nobody ever bought. And I was able to get my grimy little mitts on it. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped about that. So yeah, we're gonna put that on the bike today. Another thing I want to say as a disclaimer, I didn't know, it's not a disclaimer, but somebody in the comments of a previous video told me that I had my American flag in the wrong orientation for when you hang it vertically. So thank you for noticing that, and thank you for frickin' having the balls to tell me that I was doing it wrong. Because I don't want to do that wrong. I didn't honestly even think about an orientation when you hang a flag vertically, but the Union, or the stars, the blue and the white stars section, goes to the left when you hang it vertically. And in my previous videos, it was hung the other direction, which is incorrect. So my bad, it's fixed now. So, yeah. We're good. So yeah, in a past video, we put these on, and now they're coming back off. gonna do the other side quick. Okay. So for good measure, that's what we're dealing with. So that'll be good. All right, we had a tiny misunderstanding. Not no big deal. It wouldn't be my wouldn't be my channel if we weren't doing it wrong. Gonna send a couple of these home. Just snug for now. Tacos are ready, so I'm gonna go eat and then we'll finish this up. All right, tacos were great. We gotta torque this again, 21 to 27 foot-pounds. I'll just shoot for 25 and call it good. Got this Quinn torque wrench here. I don't know if you can see that, but it is basically set at 25 foot-pounds right now. So, perfect. Awesome. Now it says to like, because of those spacers, they have like a little bit of like 3M adhesive. It says to give it a minute and then torque them again. So we can do that kind of while we pick some stuff up, I suppose. And all this hardware can just go in a box for a rainy day. I would definitely say that a minute's gone by, so let's just So then it also came with this, and so if you get like a little sissy bar pad, this can kind of sit on here wherever the pad might want to sit, and then you've got hardware that would screw into the back of the pad, and then you could have a little sissy bar pad on here. It's a nice little chrome bar, I like it, but I don't have a pad and I don't know if I'm going to run one or not, so that's whatever. Alright, that's going to kind of do it for this one. Got the sissy bar installed. Pretty happy with that. I think it looks good. Never did put the little gremlin bell back on, so that's where that thing's riding. That's gonna be it for this one. Sissy bar on a Heritage. Working towards making this look a little more older than it is, if that makes sense. Old school sissy bar, kind of like that. And then we're gonna ditch this oval 114 air cleaner, and we're gonna put an old school round one in there with no branding. Yeah, that's coming up next probably. So thanks for watching, man. That's gonna do it. It's always a shit show around here. I'm just learning. I'd rather do it myself and do it wrong and then find out later how to fix it or whatever than just have somebody else do it and me not have a freaking clue about whatever. So yeah.